mine on Saturday night.
Yeah.
We got it from the
Where did you
shop.
get it? Is it?
We got it from the
Where did you
Lego
get it?
shop. That
Yeah, the
sells-
Lego shop. It sells the Nerf gun.
This one costs 200,000 rupiah. If you want to translate that into pound, that would be 10 pounds.
But you need to get a scope because
I'll give you a view of it. You can reload this.
you can see.
I lost
a
2
scope.
ammos.
What two ammos? I got two
Is it open?
ammos.
I want to open this now.
We also got spare ammos here. We got spare ammos. I'm
They're
pretty
not
sure
gonna fit because it's for the long shot.
long sock. Long sock. Okay, let's open this.
It's me.
Oh no! It been a long time since we did an unboxing video. The last time we did it was like the big egg.
What big egg?
Remember in England? Let's take this out.
What?
Plastic.
I forgot to open it.
And there! All the ammos!
I forgot to open it. Wait. I remember to open it.
Okay, there. That's really bad unboxing, but we got all the ammo. Okay, I need 2 of these. We're going to check the accuracy. Which one is better? This ammo or this ammo? Which one is harder? So yeah, I want it fit. Yeah, it fits.
It's so easy.
It doesn't fit. It's actually pretty good. It's called the Disruptor. So if you lose any bullets, oh,
Help!
that's nice.
I don't have to get the ammo.
There's this, so you can shoot it.
How do I get the ammo?
That's the outside. This is a lot of plastic.
One here.
Oh no! Okay, we lost one. Oh, Dad is behind the camera. We're gonna get it. Yeah, look at that.
Yay, I'm finished.
Oh
And
That's
this is what
perfect.
it looks like fully loaded. All the ammunition. This is the disruptor.
Disruptor.
I'm good.
It'll disrupt your nightmares, which is really good. I always think of this. It's really good. I don't know why. I always think like if you put it like it's like a you put it in your pocket when you need to reload.
That's like put your hands up.
Ah!
I'm shooting your body. Okay,
I don't mind.
let's see how you are shooting there. I go first. Ah,
Got him. First I got him.
not lying. You had one try along yesterday. You practiced yesterday.
yeah. I don't open the bottom thingy. Where's the bottom thingy?
I want to write Nerf gun.
It's the this. Look.
I know what to do. Don't. I just have to put this down. That's rough.
That is not a rope.
Yeah, it is.
That's Nerf.
This is way capital.
Okay, just look. No. Nerf.
Please. Five knows capital.
The gun is good. The accuracy is good. It's a good ammo.
Jesus God, just come.
But the bad thing is that Shafiq,
Yeah.
what do you like about it and what do you don't like?
Oh, come on! You ruined it!
Okay then. I need to go to the bedroom.
Ah, there's Nerf. Hashtag Nerf.
Basic, then how does that go? Yeah. So this is pretty good, but it's not that bad. You can put the scope here. You can put the scope right here so you can see something. But the problem is we can't put any lights. It's very good, pretty good. It's not that bad. The question is, we bought this in Big Shop. It's really good. Bye bye. I don't come back. Oh.
It's so hard to make a hashtag. Like hashtag Nerf.
Mama, one hand up.
Is there another sticky? I need another sticky.